three URLs to do some assignments, am I right?
Yes, yes, yes,
So
yes.
you said you have to raise some backlinks for those three.
Yes, 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 yes.
Backlinks in the sense, how could you do so? Like, I need some Quora or Reddit forum posts and
Uh-huh.
comment, right? Here,
Yes.
how could I do for?
See, you have the keyword, right? So you have to write a short article on that topic, and then you can submit it there on Quora and on Medium, on other article submission websites, and you can do commenting on comment websites. You can create PPT, you can create infographics, you can create images related to
Regarding
that
the
topic.
class timings, course fees,
Yeah, yes, yes. Or regarding that topic also you can create, right?
because topic is like digital marketing course,
Huh.
AIM
So,
course.
so what is digital marketing? You can include things related to digital marketing, like that you can cover. Okay.
Yeah, okay, thank you. What is the agenda for today's class?
It will be off-page SEO, some terms related to off-page SEO, and then we'll start technical SEO. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So,
Uh,
yes,
Hello, excuse me,
yes,
miss.
yes, yes.
Yeah, I wanted to say I won't be able to talk in this class because I'm actually in my office right now. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay. No problem.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. So, let's discuss some terms related to off-page SEO. Link building we have discussed, right? So, what is link building exactly?
Uh, Generating backlinks.
Yes, when we share our website's link to other websites, that is linking, right? We are generating backlinking, right?
Yeah.
Now there are three types of links, right? Natural link, manual link, and self-created link. Okay, there are three types of links. What is a natural link? Any idea about that?
When someone writes about us without any human part.
Yes. For example, when we give just telling me to do type of link.
Hello, ma'am, your voice isn't audible.
So this natural link.
Voice is not audible.
Okay. Next is manually constructed link. What are manually audible? Okay. Uh, now can you hear me?
Oh, yes, no.
Um,
I think you have some network issue. No, ma'am.
one second, 1 second. I'm audible to you, right?
Now it's clear.
Now it's clear, ma'am. Before it isn't.
Okay, okay, okay. So I was explaining natural links, right? Natural links when website owner don't create these links, right? Other websites or bloggers themselves mention their favorite website's name on their website. This type of links are known as natural links. Clear? What is natural link?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then next is manually constructed links. What are manually constructed links? Manually constructed links. Any idea?
No, ma'am.
See, manually constructed links are, it includes intentional link building activities. For example, when we ask our customers to write review for us on our website or give rating to us, This type of link building is known as manually constructed links. Okay, clear? When we um, um, ask influencers to no give review for our brand, that is manually constructed backlink. Clear? Manually constructed link is clear.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is self-created links. What is self-created links? What we are doing in off-page SEO activity, that is self-created link. Means commenting, blog commenting, article submission, PPT submission, image submission, all these types, all these techniques that we are following, this is self-created links type. Okay, clear? All the types of links are clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After this, we have um, negative SEO. What is negative SEO? Any idea about negative SEO? What is it, Krishna?
Any fake reviews,
Hmm.
if we post any blog,
Hmm.
so we get any negative reviews that will become under
No,
sure.
no. That is not negative SEO. Shweta, any idea about negative SEO?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. See, negative SEO, also known as black hat SEO, means um, it will be using malicious activities on your website by others, okay, to harm your Google ranking. Okay, this is known as negative SEO. What they will do, they will do different kinds of activities. They will try to hack your content, hack your website, no, copy paste your content. There are different techniques they will use to harm your Google reputation. Okay, and these activities comes under negative SEO, or we can say black hat SEO. Clear? Is it clear? Definition is clear? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Okay, okay. Now there are different activities involved in it. We'll discuss that. First is link farming. What is link farming? In link farming, they will redirect low quality links to your website from a website that is solely created to house useless, spammy, or unrelated links. Okay, so if some website is linking to your website and that website does not have good reputation, or it is solely created for the purpose of spamming, so what Google will see that this website is linking with this spammy website, and it will de-rank your website from the search engine. Okay, clear what is link farming?
So it is basically spammy link building.
Yes, spammy link building, but you will not do this spammy link building on your website. Someone else will try to backlink, create backlink on your website through this spammy website.
How to avoid it?
I'll tell you how to avoid that. Okay, but let's understand the techniques first. The what are the techniques included in negative SEO? Then we'll discuss how to protect our website from these activities. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So link farming is clear. This technique is clear. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next type is duplicate content posting. What they will do, spammers will copy paste your content and publish on multiple sites. Okay, the multiple sites they have, they will copy paste your content and paste it on their website. So what will happen? Your original content will now be copied. Okay, so when search engine checks and find it that your content is duplicate, so it will again de-rank your website from the search engine. So what you have to do in this case, what you can do, if your content is copied, then what you will do? Is there anything we can do here? Shweta,
We
you have written a
publish,
blog on your website.
we
Yes,
have to
please.
publish the latest new content. If it is old and duplicate, then search bots gets confused.
Yes, correct. Very good. Then next is content modification. In content modification, what they will do, they will execute some invisible scripts from the header and footer templates so that they can hack your website. Okay, or they can run spammy things on your website. Okay, so what they will do, they will execute invisible scripts from the header and footer templates. Okay, and it is also included in social media spamming. Like what they will do, they will spam on social media by posting negative reviews about your company. For example, what they will do, they will write negative reviews about your website, okay, or about your brands. Or what they will do, they will create fake pages on your brand's name, okay, and publish fake posts on your brand name, right? So what customers will see, they will see the post from your brand name and they will trust on that post, right? So this is how they can create spam on social media, by posting negative reviews or negative things about your brand. Clear? This is clear.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Then next is de-indexing. What is de-indexing technique? They will update your server's robots.txt file to remove you from search results. Okay, what is robots.txt file? Any idea about this?
It is a file that contains the entire contents of the website that we give to the search bots via Google Search Console.
Via not via Google Search Console, via any plugin like Yoast SEO plugin will give you. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so this is the robots.txt file where we mention which are the links we want crawlers to crawl and which are the links we don't want crawlers to crawl. So what they will do, they will update your robots.txt file so that crawlers will not crawl your pages. Okay, and if they will not crawl your pages will not get indexed, and if they are not getting indexed, they will not get ranking on search engine. Clear? This is clear.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay, next is forceful crawling. What is forceful crawling? um, will cause damage to websites by forcefully crawling it. Taxing server load will happen whenever crawlers crawl the site. Uh, they okay. What is the crawl budget? Any idea about crawl budget?
No,
Krishna?
ma'am.
Okay. Krishna, do you know what is crawl budget?
No, ma'am.
No. See, whenever crawlers come to your website, they decide a limit to how much time this bot can spend crawling any single site. Okay, the amount of website is called crawl budget. Okay, so this crawl budget, or we can say crawl, okay, this crawl budget is decided on the basis of crawl capacity. Crawl capacity is when Google bots crawl your website without overwhelming your servers, right? For this crawl capacity, which is a maximum number of simultaneous parameters that Google bot can use to crawl a website, okay, and time delay between the fetches. So it aims to provide coverage of important content without overloading your server. Okay, clear what is crawl capacity and what is crawl budget? Crawl capacity is basically, in very simple words, I'll say, uh, how many parallel pages we can open or the bots can open to analyze it. Okay, so that they will not overwhelm your server, right? This is clear. Crawl capacity is clear.
Could you please tell one more time, ma'am? Crawl budget.
Yes. First of all, I'm telling crawl capacity. Understand this term. Crawl capacity means how many pages I can open in at a time, which will not affect the speed of your website. This is known as crawl capacity. Okay, this is clear. Because what will happen if I'll open all the pages at once to analyze it, it will increase the load on your website, right? For example, when we um, fill the forms for government exams or our exams online form, what will happen on the last date? Generally the server goes down, right? It happens, most of the time it happens,
Yeah,
right?
because everyone tries.
Yes, everyone is trying, because everyone is trying, and this trying, this process is actually increasing load on the server, and because of the load on the server goes down, right? This is the same process the spammers are following. Okay, so what they will do, they will open parallel connection, means parallel pages, simultaneous pages on your website, so that they can increase the load on your server, and so that your server can get crash at a time. Okay, is it
Okay,
clear
this
now?
is capacity, right?
This is crawl capacity, yes.
Okay.
And crawl budget, when crawl this on the basis of this after calculating this crawl capacity, the crawlers decide a budget, crawl budget. That means they decide how much time they can give to crawl your website, and how many pages they can open at a time. Okay, and what is the delay in between the fetches of pages? This calculation is known as crawl budget. Clear?
Who sets this scroll budget? The search engines?
The search engine bots, they decide. Okay,
Okay.
so what spammers are doing, spammers will de-index, forcefully crawl your website, so that they can increase the load on your server, and eventually your this website gets crashed. Okay, this is clear. Forcefully crawling is clear, right? Any doubt in this?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Clear.
Okay, next is one second. Oh. Next is including malware. So what they will do, if malware attacks on any website, what will happen? Google will warn users that this site may be hacked, and if the website is hacked, it will if this message is coming, no one will visit your website, right? Because they don't want their credentials to be to get hacked, right? So this will drop the traffic in your website, right? So this is in malware technique. Clear? This technique is also clear.
So spammers do this
Malware,
malware.
malware attack on your website. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. And uh, okay, so these are the different techniques included in negative SEO. How they can harm. Let's see how to protect our website from negative SEO. Okay, so what in your opinion we can, how we can protect our website? by these negative SEO?
You're asking for which technique?
Can you please repeat?
You're asking for the solution for which
Yes,
technique?
for all the types of techniques. Means I'm asking how we can protect our website through from this negative SEO. Am I audible clearly? Uh, I'm I'm not able to
Yeah,
hear you.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Okay. So can anyone tell me, Shweta and Krishna, um, how we can protect our website from negative SEO? Krishna, any idea?
I'm not using any password or any security key that we can,
Sorry, come again, please.
any password actually can protect from other spamming or website means we have uh, uh, to keep secure.
Hmm. Okay. Anything else that we can do? Shweta?
We should remove the backlinks that has been generated from spammy website.
Hmm. And how we can do that?
I'm not sure of it.
Okay, okay. But this is right. Okay. Anything else that we can do?
Set strong password like we can use the two-factor authentication like that.
Yes, very good. Correct, correct. Anything else?
We should always update the content in our website. We should remove the old one and avoid duplication.
Hmm. Very good. And anything else that we can do?
When we add a Gmail to that website, ma'am, so whatever happened, that will we get notified.
Yes, very good. Correct. And we should connect it through, sorry, we should connect the Gmail notification with our Google Search Console also. So whenever something happens, it will notify you. Okay, that this changes has been done on your website. So you can check it by that time, right? So this also you can do. And anything else that we can do to protect the website? No. So, first we can enable the Google Search Console email notification to monitor backlinks, right? And discovering suspicious links on protecting our website from malware. Okay, so Google Search Console will help in this, and we can keep track of our backlinks, whatever backlinks we are getting, or the websites that are trying to create connections with us. We have to keep track of that too, and we can closely watch our important links if they are removed. If any of the important link is removed, we can request the webmaster to restore it, right? So this we can do. For that we have to keep track of our backlinks, right? And
Ma'am, I can't understand this webmaster restoration.
webmaster is Google Search Console. Okay.
Restoring means how can we restore backlinks?
There is an option of links in Google Search Console. Okay, so we can restore the links from there. Means we have to create the backlink on that website again. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Hmm. Then after this, what we can do, we have to use strong passwords, two-factor authentication, as Krishna has mentioned, and keep our website up to date. Okay, uh, keep on no updating your content, keep it fresh always. Okay, so that no one can copy your content. Okay, and keep an eye on content thieves. If someone is copying your content, either you can use the there is a plugin you can use on your website, using which what will happen, no one can copy your content directly. They can write it by seeing the pages you take, but they can not directly copy your content. So you can use that plugin and keep your content fresh. Okay, this is the only thing we can do. And other than this, we have to keep automatic backup system on our website, so that if by any chance our website got crashed, we can back up our website and we can make our website live, right? Clear?
How can we back up it?
There is an option of backup in when we create a website. There, hold this 1 second. Okay. So when we create a website, when we purchase domain and hosting, there is an option of backup in our admin panel. So from there we can on the backup system. Okay, clear, Shweta?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
And also we have to reduce the time it takes to load our website. Okay, keep it fast so that our website can get no can open up fast, and it can we can avoid the crashing of a website to this, right? This we can do. And we have to monitor the social media mentions. Okay, if there is any page which is with our brand name and it is not from our brand. Okay, so we have to post on our page that there are fake pages on our brand name, so that we can notify our visitors, our customers about the fake brand uses or fake brand pages available on social media. Okay, and if you are getting a negative reviews from anywhere, acknowledge that review. Okay, clear? All
Ma'am,
these
if
steps are.
we get some spammy backlinks or negative reviews about a brand, can we delete that backlink?
Backlink we can delete. Okay, but reviews, instead of वैसे तो we cannot delete the reviews, okay, from any platform, but we can acknowledge those reviews. If you are getting any negative review, if someone has given negative review, you have to acknowledge it. Okay, you have to clearly deal with it on social media platform. Okay, what is the issue? Okay, clear?
Okay.
So all these things are clear. All these steps are clear.
मिस्टर बिहारी जी
Who is this?
आपका फोन कर
1 second. Okay.
Ma'am, someone named Manvi has come and posted
Uh-huh.
some messages, private messages to me.
Private messages. I
Yeah.
have removed. Oh, I don't know who is this. I have removed that. It is some issue, I think.
Okay, ma'am, no issues. Just to make to your notice, I just said thank you.
Haha. I can also see something. So I have just removed that person. 1 second. Okay. So after this, okay. So all these this steps are clear related to
Yeah, yes,
negative
ma'am.
SEO. Okay. Krishna, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now let's start the technical SEO. What is technical SEO?
Page loading speed,
Mm-hmm.
into search engines.
Hmm. Okay. Anything else which is included in technical SEO? No.
No, ma'am. Structured data,
Structured data, yes.
XML and sitemap.
Hmm. Hmm. Correct. So technical SEO basically deals with the technical structure of the website, right? like crawling, indexing, website architecture, website performance, mobile and user experience, security and accessibility of the website, structured data and tags, duplicate content and redirections, monitoring and reporting of the website. All these things are included in technical SEO, right? So let's understand these terms in detail. Okay, first is crawling. So what is crawling or crawlability? Once again, can anyone tell me what is crawlability?
It is a Google bots that defines our website information.
Not defined. They will analyze your website. Okay, the content available on your website. So crawlability means ability of search engines to access and crawl the content available on a website. Clear?
Yeah, okay. I thought they would define who are we.
No, 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 no. They will analyze what are we, what is the content available on our website. Okay, that is crawlability, right? Then next is indexability. What is indexability or indexing?
After analyzing the information, they store in
Got it.
directories.
Yes, very good. So ability of search engines to include a web page in their index, or storing the content that they have analyzed on our website. It is known as indexing or indexability, right? Clear? Okay. After that, what is crawl budget?
It is a time given for search engines to analyze our page.
Yes, the number of pages a search engine will crawl on your website during a given time. That is crawl budget, right? Then robots.txt file I was explaining. The robots.txt file will tell search engine which part of the site they can crawl or they cannot crawl. Okay, so I'll show how to update the robots.txt and how you can check that. 1 second. For this, I have installed this plugin, Yoast SEO plugin on my website. 1 second. Is my screen visible?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. So here I have installed this plugin called Yoast SEO. In the settings of this, in the tools, you have to go, and in the tools you will find this file editor. Okay. You can do this process through your admin panel also. Okay. But if you don't have access to the admin panel, you can directly do it through this plugin. Okay. So any SEO plugin you can use for that. In the tool section, you will find the file editor option. And in the file editor option, you will get this robots.txt file, right? So how you can update this? The robots.txt file, you have to mention all the links. Means, see, first of all, you have to write user agent. Okay, user agent colon asterisk. Asterisk means universal. Like we are updating this robots.txt file for all the types of search engine bots. Okay, if you want to update the file for particular search engine bot, you can mention the name of that particular bot. Otherwise, you can keep it asterisk. That means you are updating it for universal bot. Clear? This is clear?
Who will write this codings? Is it developers?
We can write it by ourselves. Na? This is not a coding. This is just user agent asterisk. Then we have to write the disallow. Disallow may we have to write the links that we don't want crawlers to crawl. And after that, if there is no link, no such links which we don't want to crawl, we can keep it blank. After that, we have to write allow. And in the allow section, we can directly write the sitemap. Okay, or we can write the links which we want crawlers to crawl. That's it, that we have to do. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the structure. This is how we can update the robots.txt file. Clear? Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. After this, um, okay. So this is clear. Robots.txt file is clear. Then meta robots tag. What are meta robot tags? These are HTML tags used to control how individual pages are crawled and indexed. For example, see, we don't have to go into these technicalities. You just have to understand the robots.txt file. You can leave this meta robots tag. This is basically used to control how individual pages are crawled and indexed. That's it. Okay. Then another important term is canonical tag. What is canonical tag? This is very important. Any idea about canonical tag? No? Shweta, Krishna?
I don't
No,
know.
no, it removes the duplicate URL or any content.
Uh, Sorry, can you please
It
repeat?
removes the duplicate content.
Yes, 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 yes. Canonical tag actually it prevents duplicate content by specifying the preferred version of a page. If we have any parent page on any topic on our website, and for example, you have a multilingual website, let's say, okay, and you have a page in your original language, like in Hindi you have, okay, and other pages are in different languages, okay, according to the location where you want to rank it, right? So the content is same, but the language is different, right? So the search engine may get confused which page to rank, because content is same, but the language is different, right? So it will the bot may think that this is the duplicate content, okay. So to remove this confusion, we use a canonical tag which will no which will tell search engine which is the preferred page for ranking, okay, which is the original version, or we can say which is the parent page, right? So this will prevent the duplicacy on our website and helps the search engine to rank the preferred page. Clear? Canonical tag is clear, Shweta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. From where we can update this canonical tag, Krishna?
I mean, URL inspection, I think so.
No, 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 no. On our website, I'll show you.
HTML code.
No, 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 no. I'm showing. I'm sharing my screen. One second. Let's say this is a post. Okay. So because I have the Yoast SEO plugin here, so I can see this Yoast SEO settings here, right? In this setting, go to advanced, and this is the canonical URL option. So if you want to update the canonical URL for any page or for any post, you have to mention it here. Okay, clear? From here you can update it so that search engine will know which is the parent page. Clear? Is it clear? Shweta, Krishna?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. Um, so canonical tag is clear. After canonical tag, we have sitemap. What is a sitemap? What is a sitemap? XML sitemap.
No, I
Shweta,
don't know, ma'am.
Krishna, do you know what is sitemap? XML sitemap?
Actually, sitemap is the index of the page, right? So we get all the URL.
Yes, a file that lists
Which
important pages on a website to help search engine find and index them. Right? Clear? Shweta, clear?
So could you please repeat, ma'am, what is sitemap?
Sitemap contains the URL available on our website. Okay, all the URLs that are available on our website, it will be available in sitemap. Okay.
Then what about robots.txt?
Robots, see, in robots.txt, we tell search engine that which links or which URLs we want crawlers to crawl. Okay, robots.txt we update. Okay, which links we want crawlers to crawl, means we there is two section in robots.txt, disallow or allow. So in disallow section, we mention those links which we don't want to crawl by this crawlers, and in the allow section we write the links which we want crawlers to crawl. Okay, this is the robots.txt. But sitemaps contain all the URLs available on your website. Clear? This is the difference.
Okay. Then what about XML?
Its name is XML sitemap. I'll show you how to generate it. Is my screen visible?
Yeah.
Okay. So again, I'll go to Yoast SEO plugin. This is the plugin and this is the settings. In settings, if you will scroll down, this is the XML sitemaps option. You have to just enable this feature, and if you will click the view the XML sitemap, it will generate the XML sitemap for your website. Can you see this sitemap?
We can generate how much ever sitemap for a single website.
Yes, whatever is uploaded on your website, whether it is image, whether it is post, video, category, post. See, this is the post sitemap. All the posts available on this website, all the pages available, all the categories, all the tags, all the author sitemap. So if I click on any of these, like post sitemap, I'll get all the URL of posts available on my website. Right? This is how it works.
Then how to compile and put it together for Search Console?
For Search Console, we have this link in the address bar. We just have to copy that link and submit it to this Google Search Console. That's it. Okay, the link you are getting in the address bar, that is the compiled URL. Okay.
Okay.
So XML sitemap is also clear, right?
Yeah.
After XML sitemap, we have URL parameters. URL parameters we have discussed. What is URL parameter?
Protocol, domain, subdomain, slug.
These are the URL parts. I'm talking about parameter only. Remember what is parameter? The last part after it starts after a question mark. No,
Categories.
not category. After the category, we have the parameters like filtering parameters, paginating parameters. Remember? No. One second. I'll share that PPT once again. Mm, mm. Is the PPT visible?
No, ma'am.
Okay. One second. Um, Now it's oh I have shared that PPT with you, right?
Yes, ma'am, in
That,
WhatsApp.
Yeah.
yes, in that you can check the URL structure. There you will get. Um, my PPT is not opening for some reason. I think this is.
Shall I show my PPT through screenshot?
I think. Oh, no, no, no. I got this. 1 second. URL structure, right? This one. Now is it visible?
Yes.
So this is the parts of URL structure, and this is the last part, which is parameters. Remember, the key, the value, and it is separated by ampersand symbol. This is the parameter, URL parameter. Clear? What is a parameter?
Okay.
Remember what is it? There are different types of URL parameters. What are the different types of URL parameters?
Filtering,
Yes.
sorting, then
Hmm.
pagination.
Yes. And one more, tracking parameter. Shweta,
Yes, yes.
remember this?
No, I couldn't get it. Sorry. Let me go through the PPT and then we'll come back.
Yes, there are four types of parameters: searching parameters, filtering parameters, tracking parameters, paginating parameters. Okay, these are the different types of parameters. Searching parameter means the internal search engine of the website, means the search bar that you have on a website. When you search something on that website, you will get that particular page. So this is known as searching parameter. When you apply any filter on that website, for example, black shoes you want to search, okay, so you will apply the filter black and shoes, right? So this is filtering parameter. When you run any ad campaign and you want to track the traffic that is coming from that campaign to your website, for that we use tracking parameters, right? And if there is any forum or any bulky website on that, you must have noticed the pagination. Pagination means the numbers are there for the pages, and when you will click on that particular number, you will be redirected to that particular page. This is known as paginating parameter, right? Clear? Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these are the terms related to crawling and indexing in technical SEO. Then let's discuss some terms related to website structure. Okay. So first it is this website structure. In website structure, we have the organization of our website's content, like main pages, sub pages. Okay, so this together makes website structure, right? And in the technical SEO, we mainly deal with the website structure only, right? Then, what is a URL structure? What is URL structure? The way URLs are formatted, like it should be clean, it should be readable, it should be keyword optimized. Okay, so this is how we have to create the URL structure, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Then what is breadcrumb navigation?
Yesterday you showed that we bought
Yes,
something. In
yes. What is it?
how we have come to this page so far so that it would be easy for user experience.
Correct. So that if someone wants to go to any page in between, they can directly click on that particular page and can get redirected to that page, right? So this makes the user experience good on our website, right? Now, what are internal linkings? Internal linkings?
Linking from one page to another web page within the same domain.
Yes, correct. And what is a orphan page on a website?
If we have no internal linking,
Correct. Means if we have not created any link, or we have not linked a post or a page on our website to any other page, that will be an orphan page. Okay, so there should not be any orphan page available on our website. Okay, you have to check this on your website, right? Then after this, core web vitals we have discussed yesterday, right? What is a core web vital?
it is the basic functionality for the website to rank top,
Yes, it is
like
this
better
core.
user experience.
Yes, correct, correct. It is this score given to website on the basis of different metrics. What were the metrics?
First, contentful paint,
Hmm.
time blocking time,
Yes. F.
LCP, lay, CLS, cumulative layout shift.
What was the cumulative layout shift? Krishna, what is the cumulative layout shift?
How long content it takes to load in page?
Sorry.
So how long it takes to load?
No, no,
Like
no,
we have
no,
time, right?
no. It is not the CLS. Shweta,
Oh,
what is CLS?
Shifting time, that space arrangement.
Shifting of the layout. Okay, when the website loads, some websites, the layout of that website gets shifted and it takes time to load correctly. This is known as CLS. Okay, the shifting of the layout is known as the CLS, cumulative layout shift. Okay, clear? Then what is FCP?
First, contentful paint,
What is it?
elements, title, heading, how long it takes to load.
Yes, means the whatever the means, if there is any biggest element available on your website, how much time it takes to load, it is known as FCP, first contentful paint, right? Clear?
It's LCP, right? Largest
F
contentful paint.
No, there is no term like LCP, FCP, INP, and CLS. Only three terms are there. Okay,
What is INP?
INP. INP means how long it takes for the interaction. It means if you are clicking on any button or on any link or on any video, how much time it is taking to respond. That is INP. Okay.
Okay.
Then after this, mm, okay. What is redirection? Means 301 redirect, 302 redirect. Have you heard of this? Redirections? What are they? What is a 301 redirect? Okay. What is it? Krishna, any idea about this?
the page will load in some other uh, another pages, like it will be redirect to uh, another platform, like
Not another platform, but the another URL. Okay. So
another. Okay.
if there is permanent redirection from one URL to another URL, that will be 301 redirect. Okay. And what is 302 redirect, Shweta?
No, I'm not aware of redirection itself.
Okay. So, Krishna, do you know what is 302 redirection?
No, man.
Okay. See, 302 redirect means temporary redirection, means not used for SEO purpose usually, but this 302 redirection is like if we are updating any page, the content of any page, and we don't want the users to visit that page during that time. So what we can do, we can redirect the visitors to another page. Whenever they will click on this page, on this URL, we will redirect them to another page on temporary basis. Okay, so this redirection is known as 302 redirect. Okay, clear?
Okay.
And for
These
this, we
directions we have only two.
there are more redirections, but we use only this in digital marketing, basically in the website. We use this 301 redirect and 302 redirect mostly. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
and there are some errors like 404 errors you must have seen, or 410 errors. What are they? HTTP errors,
Page not found.
page not found. Yes,
That's
when we
404 or 401?
404 and 410 both. For when it is temporary, it is 404, and when it is permanent, it is 410. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
After this, mm, the crawling errors are clear. Mm, in server log, redirections are clear. What is href lang tag? Href lang tag. Any idea about this? Href lang tag. Krishna,
Um,
Shweta.
Something related to language?
Yes, it is an HTML attribute, we can say, or tag, we can say, which is used to specify the language and geographical targeting of a web page. Okay, so if we want to means if we have if we want to create a multilingual website, we have to use this href flag tag. Okay, so that we can convert the language from one or we can say we can rank that particular language in that particular geographical location. Okay, clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so um, all the terms are clear, right? Now we'll see. Google Search Console is clear, href lang tag is clear, http errors are clear. So these are the things included in technical SEO. The mobile responsiveness, how we can check that. We can use the page speed insight tool that we have seen yesterday. Remember the page speed insight tool where we check the the speed of our website or the issues related to our website.
Yeah.
Okay, so from there we can check the mobile responsiveness of our website, and if there are any issues we can check there, and we can fix those issues. Okay, clear? Mm, okay. So all these things are included in technical SEO. Next we'll check some more terms related to technical SEO, and then the SEO will be over, this topic will be over. Okay, clear? Any doubt, any questions?
Do we have to build any websites covering all these href those tags? Because we can
No.
do website building.
uh, on the free version you cannot do that. Okay, if you want to do it on your website, if you're purchasing domain and hosting, you can do that, you can try that. Okay, there is nothing, you just have to add a plugin of href lang tag, that's it.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so anything else, any other question?
From next week, we'll start with SEO.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, Okay, so let's wind up this session for today. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you.